Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. Today we're going to rekey a Schlage B660 Deadbolt. It's my favorite deadbolt. It's probably one of the most versatile deadbolts for residential and commercial. It's used a lot in hospitals and school boards. It's a heavy-duty deadbolt. It's a single cylinder, 1-inch deadbolt, thumb turn on the inside. You can put almost any keyway in here. It could be the Schlage, the C series, the SC1, which they call the classic, or up to the Everest, which is the commercial grade, the C123s and up, and also the Primus series. Almost any keyway can go in this cylinder, so it's a very versatile lock. Always have the bolt out. This will save you a lot of hassles, and have the keys out. We just remove the thumb turn. There's 2 bolts inside holding and the cylinder just comes right out. Inside is an ice pick protector. So this protects the lock of the bolt when somebody tries to use an ice pick on it. It's important to install on your lock, so make sure it's there when you put it back. To rekey this, I'm going to take the cylinder out of the housing. You can leave it in, this just makes it a little bit easier. I'm just going to rekey it. Use your end cap removal tool. Take off the end cap and take out the spring and the retainer pin. Now, there's no key for this, so we're going to shim it. This is a 5-pin, even though it's a 6-pin cylinder, it's keyed to a 5-pin. I'm just going to take a blank. You could use the pick, but the easy thing is just take your shim, put it in the back. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. This one's pretty good because it's a new lock, so we're just at 3, 2, final one is 1. Turn it 45 degrees, remove your blank, take out the shim, use your follower, remove cylinder, and then we just dump the pin. We're going to key this up to the key. We've cut it on the ITL code machine. We've cut it to Schlage, and it's a 32541. The lab kit is excellent for keying, and again, this will do all your major locks. And today I have, it's a specific kit just for the Schlage. This is the lab kit, so I'm going to key it up using this kit today. The kit is pretty good. It comes with extra end cap springs, pins, top pins, wafers, everything you're going to need to rekey the lock. So again, this key is 32541, so the first cut is a 3. Remember, rounded side down, tapered side down, flat side up. 3, 2, 5, 4, and 1. If you see here, they're all flush. We've done a very good job of cutting the key. Again, very, very important, when you take this lock apart, put an X at the front so we know where the front of the cylinder is. Put the key in at a 45-degree angle and turn the key. The biggest mistake everybody makes is they just pull this key out. The pins and the springs will go flying. Don't do that. Put your thumb over it or your index finger, pull the key out, put in the spring and the end cap pin. Use the end cap removal tool to reinstall. Just do it finger tight, back it off 2 clicks, and test the key. The key should just come out perfectly, just like that. If the key won't come out, you're too loose on the back. If it's too hard to turn, you're too tight. So this is just perfect. We'll reinstall the lock. Put it back into the housing. Now, the most important thing is to make sure the bolt is out. Do not have the key in the lock, then the tailpiece will go in almost perfect every time. Reinstall the deadbolt bolts. I just start them by hand to start. We don't want to cross thread this. Now I know I've started it, use my screwdriver. Again, everything we do is snug. We don't over tighten. Then install. It's usually that way is locked, then it's unlocked. You can look from a distance, you can see if your door is unlocked or locked. line it up with our screws. Second screw. And there we have it. Now check it with the key, lock it, take the key out. Then unlock it and take the key out. Have the customer check it, then you know it's going to lock and unlock before you leave the job site. What we've done here is we've rekeyed the Schlage B660 Deadbolt, one of my favorite deadbolts. For more information on how to defeat this lock, various destructive and non-destructive techniques from picking to drilling, join our membership site and we'll show you the different techniques of opening this lock when you don't have the key.